Are you tired of feeling stuck in a cycle of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you ever wonder why, despite working hard, you're not able to achieve financial freedom? Well, the answer might not be what you think. In this video, we'll explore common money mistakes that keep you broke and how to avoid them. By understanding these mistakes, you can start taking control of your finances and pave the way for a brighter financial future. So let's dive in and discover the secrets to breaking free from the cycle of poverty and start living a life of abundance. Mistake number 1, living paycheck to paycheck. Are you one of those people who spend as soon as they get paid? Living paycheck to paycheck means that you spend your entire salary and have nothing left over by the end of the month. This can be a major roadblock on your journey to financial freedom. Instead, try to adopt the mindset of rich people who prioritize saving and investing before spending. When you do this, you'll have something left over each month and won't constantly be worrying about money. To make this a reality, start by setting financial goals and create a budget that aligns with your needs and priorities. By doing so, you'll have a clear roadmap to follow and won't be tempted to spend beyond your means. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint, and every small step you take will bring you closer to your ultimate destination. Mistake number 2, credit card debt. Picture this. You swipe your credit card for a new dress and shoes. Then you do it again for a weekend getaway, and before you know it, you're buried under credit card debt. Carrying high-interest credit card debt can feel like a millstone around your neck, weighing you down and preventing you from achieving your financial goals. It's crucial to understand that debt can quickly spiral out of control if not managed properly. Instead, consider using a debit card or paying in cash to stay within your budget and avoid accumulating unnecessary debt. Remember, true wealth isn't measured by the amount of stuff you own, but by the financial freedom and peace of mind you have. Take charge of your finances today and ditch the credit card debt that's holding you back. Mistake 3, no budget. Imagine this. You get paid at the beginning of the month with a nice fat paycheck. You go out with friends, have a great time, and by the end of the month you're wondering, where did all my money go? Without a budget, your money might disappear into thin air. Setting a budget is essential to gaining control of your finances and achieving your long-term goals. By tracking your income and expenses, you can identify areas where you can cut back and save more. There are various budgeting methods available, such as the 50-30-20 rule or zero-based budgeting. Find what works best for you and stick to it. Remember, creating a budget doesn't mean depriving yourself of all the fun things in life. It's just about being more mindful of your spending habits and making sure that your money is working for you, not against you. Mistake number 4, ignoring investments. Here's a thought-provoking question. Would you rather have $1,000 in your hand or have the potential for it to grow into thousands? The choice is clear. Investing is key to growing your wealth and securing your financial future. Don't let another day go by without taking advantage of the incredible opportunities out there. Whether it's investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or starting a side hustle, there are plenty of options to explore. But remember, the path to financial success is rarely easy. It takes patience, discipline, and a willingness to take calculated risks. Don't be afraid to seek professional advice and do your research before making any investment decisions. Your future self will thank you for it. Mistake 5, wrong mindset. Are you stuck in a cycle of financial struggle and self-doubt? It's time for a change. You've got to shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. One way to do this is by changing the way you talk to yourself. Instead of saying, "I can't afford that," say, "How can I afford this?" This simple mindset shift can make a world of difference in your financial life. It's time to break free from the limitations you've placed on yourself and embrace a future filled with abundance and prosperity. As we come to the end of this journey, remember that your financial situation doesn't define your worth. It's time to take control of your money and build a future that you're proud of. By avoiding these 5 common money mistakes, you're already on your way to financial freedom. So go out there, make smart choices, and watch your wealth grow. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable tips and tricks. Thanks for joining me on this transformative journey.